Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. My name is Dion, Crazy Coupon Cravers. I'm here to show you another Walmart Ibotta haul, and I'm going to show you something that I got at Dollar General. I hope you guys enjoy it. I just want to thank you for all my subscribers and all my new subscribers. I got 950 subscribers, so I'm very excited, guys. So if you guys can share it so I can maybe get other people or watch my videos so I can get a lot of watch hours so I can get monetized. I very much appreciate it because I couldn't do the station without you guys. And I love you guys and thank you for tuning in. And I will try to be, I feel bad because I'm not on a regular basis and I am sorry and I will try to get better and I think that will help me too. So if you guys please help me and comment and all that stuff too. Thank you guys. But I ended up going to up, going to Dollar General. I bought two Frito-Lays. These are originally $5.99, but I got both. I got two of these for $9.50 plus tax, and so that is a great deal. But that's not it, guys. I ended up getting this 18 pack for free. So I ended up paying $9.50 for two bags of Fritos and this for $9.50 plus tax. So that is a fantastic stock up deal. And these are good for the kids going back to school or taking them for your lunches at work. So I am very blessed that I got it. I think I'm going to do it again. So I'm very excited. As far as I know, it goes through maybe Saturday night. I'm not sure, but you might check. So, but I think that is a fantastic stock up deal. I was excited about these because these went down. They're on rollback. They're $1.68 now. So you're saving like almost 20 cents. I remember when I would go to the store and they were like $1.25. So, but it's on rollback for $1.68. I can't find Ibotta. My Ibotta disappeared. But if you still have Ibotta and they're giving you $1 back for buying 5 of them. But then you can also at one time do swag bucks. I don't know if swag bucks is, I don't think they're doing it anymore. But I ended up buying these. I ended up getting 175 scan points for these on Shopkick, and then plus I got $10 scan kicks for each one of these. I ended up buying 4 of them, 4 different ones, and it's a limit of 5. So I think that is a fantastic deal. So each one of these have a limit of 5. So it equals 70 cents, so it ends up being like 98 cents for each one of these. So I think that is a good deal. I ended up buying this Simply. It ended up being, you have to buy the 89 count. It's $4.78. I ended up getting $1.70 back from Fitch Rewards, so that is a fantastic deal. I ended up buying this for $4.97 or $4.77, and then I got $2 and or dollars $1.75 back for this. So I think that is a good deal. So I ended up paying like $2.25. So that is a good deal on that. Okay, this is one of my favorites. I ended up buying Stouffer's. My family likes Stouffer's, but you can buy any Nestle's. You can buy Dorzona pizza. I can say it. So, but I ended up buying the Stouffer's. These were $3.87 a piece. I ended up buying 4 of them, but it's a limited 2 over at Walmart. I ended up getting $1 back for buying 2 of them. So I ended up buying a total of $40.87, so I could get a $20 gift card back, a Visa gift card. So I'm very excited about that. So I ended up buying 4 of these, and then 2 of these. So and these were $8.87. So I think that's a good deal. I was gonna buy the 13 pack, 13.87 one, but it ended up it had the sausage instead of the beef, and the sausage don't agree with us. So I was very excited though I found these. So I ended up paying $20 plus tax for like 6 boxes, six or 7 boxes. So, um, okay. Um, there was something else. Oh, I bought this all, and it was $4.97, and I ended up having $2 from Ibotta, and so it made it, and I Shopkick, and it ended up being like 97 cents. So I think that was a good deal. So, but that was my haul, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Oh no, hold on. I bought two of these. They were $7 a piece, regular $9.97, and I ended up getting $5 back from Ibotta, so it made it $9 for both of these. So I think that is a fantastic deal on that. And these are 12.7 ounce, so, or 2 ounce. So, but that is a good deal. That is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I very much appreciate it if you did. And just thank you for everything you guys do. Mom came down for the weekend. She has lost a lot of weight, but she come down to see her friends that she used to work at the daycare center. So, but it was good to see her. So, but thank you for tuning in, and thank you for the continuing prayers for my mother-in-law and my mom. So, thank you for tuning in, and I love you guys. And just tell me how your day is, and just comment. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, I very much appreciate it if you subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Turn the bell on notifications so you don't miss another video. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Bye.